Hello students, welcome to the video series of financial derivatives. So we are going to discuss about the problems in swaps. Okay. So problem you can see in the slide. So we have a situation like here. Company ABC can get a fixed rate loan at 9% interest and floating rate loan at MIBOR plus 0.3, whereas company XYZ they can get a fixed loan of 10.8% and floating rate at MIBOR plus 0.8%. So in both cases company ABC is an advantage, they are able to get loans at a lower rate. So how can we benefit from this situation? Though the difference is in favor of company ABC, the differential in the case of floating rate is minor, that is only 0.5%, whereas in fixed rate the difference is 1.8%. This can be utilized. So the net gain will be, here we are having 1.8% differential minus here 0.5% differential. So you can get a gain of 1.3%. This 1.3% can be shared by both the companies, that is 0.65 gain for each. Okay. So as per the problem, company ABC requires floating rate loan, company XYZ requires fixed rate loan. We will see how this can be accomplished. So company ABC, they will be borrowing at 9% and they will be lending into company XYZ. Company XYZ they will be borrowing at MIBOR plus 8% and they will be lending it to company ABC. So the net gain will be shared like this. So for ABC, they are requiring floating rate interest. So they will be given a loan at MIBOR plus 0.35 minus 0.65%. See, this gain of 0.65% will accrue to ABC, okay, that is MIBOR plus 0.35 minus 0.65. So the net gain will be MIBOR minus 0.35. Okay. So for company XYZ, their net gain will be 10.8% minus 0.65, that will be 10.15%. If you see clearly, this particular case, company ABC, they will be borrowing in fixed rate and they will be giving it to company XYZ. For XYZ, the net percentage will be 10.1% instead of their actual facility of 10.8%. For company ABC, they are getting floating rate interest at MIBOR minus 0.35 instead of MIBOR plus 0.3 because of the gain of minus 0.65%. Okay. So this is how we have to do the swap deal, and here in both the cases company ABC is at our advantage. So the net gain we have to deduct from the differentials. In this case 1.8 minus 0.5, that will be 1.5%. This diagram can be written and explained. So the diagrammatic representation will be like this. company ABC and company XYZ. Company ABC is borrowing at 9% fixed rate and it is giving it to company XYZ, whereas company XYZ is borrowing at MIBOR plus 0.8% and they will be giving it to company ABC. So, the net profit or net the gain for both the companies will be, in the case of company XYZ, it will be 0.65%, company ABC also 0.65%. As we are aware, company ABC requires floating rate, so they will be getting a gain of MIBOR plus 0.3 minus 0.65, which is MIBOR minus 0.35. And in the case of company XYZ, they would have got the loan at 10.8%, but because of the swap agreement, they will be getting the loan at 10.8 minus 0.65, that will be 10.15%. So, that is the end of this problem.